Mama akwaba wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo mesrawo ena no first time I would ehwe me mesrawo na was subscribe. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ni pe ya okase o kire se ne nua ne Sammy Gyamfi. Na ose Sammy Gyamfi ne ho ye ne hu papa. Sammy Gyamfi ya brand bi a oye serious na criminal so do ye bi papa papa. O kire se ansa na Sammy Gyamfi ebeba out so be communicate a kire Ghana for about corruption biano. Obo modern gina hwehwe mu odan mu etwentro efense ma obeka no ho ti Sammy Gyamfi dangerous person na ode one na ama Sammy Gyamfi o kire se Sammy Gyamfi nye careful because the chairman untimi o he odansa wom chairman untimi NPP for so no se o tumi sin ewiase obi a nanso tumi sesa aban sesa ni do odansa wom enti Sammy Gyamfi emma na NDC for empiempia won konsohwem sika na mudi na na se kana mo abo no ne nkrofo ne boy yo nenso no eba ne se aban sesa na prosecution no edusu ayewo e na ho be kire nti ye careful abranti e de fotu sem ama Sammy Gyamfi as ni younger brother yenti nsema ekoso
You see this Sammy Gyamfi guy, Sammy Gyamfi. Me, I won't lie to you. Charlie, me, I admire the guy. Charlie, that guy is at his age. I don't remember the last time we had a young guy in politics, in Ghana politics, who was just fluent, very bold, very educated, good in what he does, like this guy, Sammy Gyamfi. But Sammy Gyamfi is a very dangerous guy, very, very dangerous guy. He's a very dangerous guy that before he leaves his room, I think before he leaves his room every day, especially when he's going to do his communication skills, he stand before the mirror and rehearse on how to come and defend lies, how to come and talk to make things, people believe things. Like, because the majority of the people that are following him are daft. Daft people. These foot soldiers that will defend these politicians on the social media, they are daft. They get 200 Ghana cedi or 500 Ghana cedi for data and stuff, and they send them around. Meanwhile, he doesn't have light. His roads are not good. He will not call the politician out. He will defend politicians to the core, but he's not even enjoying some of the money. So Sammy Gyamfi knows that when he come and talk to these people, they will support him. So he will come and lie. But you know what, Sammy? Make I tell you this. You see the way Wuntumi is now in Nsawam, serving about more than 20 years in prison. But I believe that Wuntumi did not enjoy that money alone. Wuntumi might have been doing deals with some of the big guys in his party that time. The people that Wuntumi did all this thing with, some of them woke up this morning. They woke up this morning, had a good breakfast. Some of them, they had a very nice time with their girlfriends or their wife the night before. They are relaxed. Their day is going on normally. But Wuntumi is the one suffering. So, I mean, you don't let the politician use you. You see that where you are. Where you are now, the kind of money where you see, I'm not sure if your father or anybody in your family have even seen this type of money before. The billions of dollars that you are calling out as a young, maybe I'm even older than you. Yeah, I think I'm older than you. You are young. I admire you. But be careful, because when you come and lie about things that, you see, NDC will have its supporters, NPP will have its supporters, but the people that make the difference are the floating voters. The floating voters, they are the smart and intelligent Ghanaians who doesn't vote according to party colors or where they come from, tribal or whatever. They use their mind. Those people, when you're doing something like this, they watch you. They can read. Everybody can read. They are not people that you can just come and lie and they will believe you. You got what I'm saying? You cannot deceive people like us. Bank of Ghana ran at a loss of about 22 billion. In that 22 billion, 1.7 billion it's a loss of services with gold board, selling gold. And who does Bank of Ghana buy the gold from? Gold board. You're doing a business with somebody. Me and you have a business. We're doing business together. There is a loss. Now you have to associate yourself from the loss and put the blame on Bank of Ghana. And you are going on different TV stations, accepting it. Some of the stations you are trying to defend it. If you meet a smart presenter, then you start to sweat. So I mean, be careful. These people are going to use you. One day, everything that is going on, you'll be accounted for. Be careful. I know this thing I'm doing. You will get some people, they will come here, they can talk plenty things. But Charlie, Ghana belongs to everybody. We all have the right to say anything about politics. Sammy Gyamfi, you are lying. Everything that you are saying now, it's the same thing. Sammy Gyamfi is acting like you're acting like you're in a position. This politics whereby you come and lie and people will believe you and people will trust you. Be very careful, oh. So I mean, me I dey like you, I dey admire you, but one day you understand. Keep on lying and throwing insults.
Na ebe wie no ana ono asan expose no. Ozumempa, don't play with the SKB. Don't joke with me. If you joke with me, I go massacre you. Don't play with me, oh. Me now the media grown. Me. Yeah. What the coffee dia grow? What the me SKA dia grow? Inti na wadwen ya say obobo sa video no. Abet na hwa kwa so ma wo. Wo na wo si nkrofo pe wakum. Ana wo na wo si MPP fo pe so mukun tutwen. Inti they say evidence be na wo pe. Na so obi trete live so obekun a court na so de ko. Inti say MPP fo trete so obekun. Ana omoda bibie de che say de no mu ye na aye okum dia. The only thing you can do is say, "Who don't go court?" Just simple, understand. Simple. Because you don't go court. Name money, the say. Fauji mi ko. Ono suka mami go tie no. Ba akwebe kasimbu azi. Ozu bemba. Asem na esria to the stand say. Watimi atwe nyankopon hata soro yanim atena ayi even say you can say na so dem show editing video aw kwasi wusu na hwan na kire wo saa akwasi hwan ya opo bi edin di agro na ntimi anyanyansani bia wanye ba bia ade bia ntimi anye akogu hu anima se poto hwan na ma wo saa adwen hwan ya na ene no sa akwase so akwa gimi phone ntino ebedire me time pa wo se de me pese me ye wo ne no na before say manfo be hu se wo ye gimi phone na say bia wagimi no na eno me bra say because me nim da say wutimi kwotena se wa na wo se MPP fo epe wakun e ba ne se na fe wutimi sen kwotena se me san koye editing for what reason ebe show say be ya obi a wo si MPP for na plan na MPP for obuo fu MPP for say MPP for ayo madwen so mbeku ato atwene entinyame adom na sakwanya beda ho na apese wo yehu bibi dia e die na betena se beyi video ma ehu say de wo ka no evidence nie ana de wo ka no say na apese wo kire ana evidence no so wo so beyi no ukoyi ya sa editing awdahu sem kese pa okoyi a afa de editing ana waye oh shit editing bia uja faye no se uhu a obesere ya adwonso ho editing mo sante hene editing mu pro mass editing mu pro mass se wo se ana okotena so dem wo ana waye konkro ana osi na dwom ana wo kasa ana wo jimi ne ho na me se akwa ajimi ana otekunyanum no adendan ana MPP for ese onim na se ona onim na let me say no edi adia me ye no ana me na me ka ana me ye na frem opale into obeyi video ni mana soro ma no so no de ya na se owie na soro ma na bo musem pa ya de ajimi for pa ya de ajimi for mum akoko yi video kwase video we abatena se be ka kire yen se wo no ade a waye no ye mehwe na mi di ka akwa yi ni video ayi no ne nsem na okeke kae no e ba mpa mo che mo mfa ncheme ana se me ni kan enye ma me ni kan enyi kwase ampani ni mi wie pe na me na soso if you say nesem ne do so pa na the way akwa we agimi no ye betire ne say yes se wo so agimi a ye betire wo say agimi sin atimi ahwe nyamie no makotena so dem akoye nkwase a editing we abetena se ka kire ne say Eba mama menko ewo ha editing no ha. Unti ade.
Police officers who had been sent on official assignment to church. And so I was asking myself, why?
Unti
What have I
ewo pa enti no.
So if you recall,
Wenum na e de atwam.
of Ghana.
Me forward forward ni. If be ayi ni wono nko a.
Now, for all these people who the former president, candidate of the new patriotic party, to become president of Ghana because of the insults. Now you know what has happened. President, vice president, I have friends who are also very good friends of the former vice president. Opportunity where I can't say we I am using this opportunity, this platform, as an opportunity to say something for those friends to hear me clearly. And yes, sir. Also, Bampa, we are too no. And you for so much Sambra, and they are now not any bill. I day how. Look what comes at it.
Oh, ni video editing. Of a coffee champon. Wow, oh, show me a fast editing video. No, my I could come before na dey TikTok no so. Ay.
Those because media mechanical crutch and my mode ya menede. The mini depending me. Me mom dear, na pompa ye tia, sa administration is na pompa ye tia omusa. Me mam rada sa be me sadi. Me mam me kasentia mu bi free na ekro.
Aha.
Aha.
O se o me kasentia MPP biom. Aha na yi no wono.